This right here is not cash. This is a non-cash transaction surging through a payment network. It's excited because it's on a journey to fulfill its life mission of turning into profit for a small business owner. But there are forces out there that will impede that profit at all costs. Processing fees are swooping in and devastating our little transaction. These fees are determined to take revenue from business owners right off the top of our transaction, friend. The truth is, this happens to almost every business owner. However, if this business owner were using the Edge program, our transaction would be fulfilled. The business owner would keep 100% of the sticker price on every transaction. Meanwhile, outside in the real world, a business owner who owns an auto body shop, liquor store, convenience store, salon, a specialty retail store, and a restaurant is getting inundated by salespeople promising him lower credit card payment fees, but they rarely save him anything significant. Edge is different because Edge thinks differently. Edge never asked if we could do the same thing for a few pennies less. Edge wants to allow the business owner to keep 100% of the sticker price for both cash and non-cash payments. How does Edge work? The Edge software knows in real time how much the business will be charged for a given non-cash transaction, and so Edge simply adjusts the purchase price to the customer, offsetting any fees. Customers can pay in cash or not, and the business keeps the same amount regardless. Edge is simple. We provide everything you need for free. Free signage to notify your customers, free point-of-sale equipment, and most businesses processing over $10,000 a month will have zero cost for Edge. Nothing upfront, no monthly fees, no annual or PCI compliance fees, no batch header fees, nothing. Our goal is to get every business cost to zero. You keep your money. That's it. To discuss if Edge might be right for your business, call today